guys, in this next video I'm going to show you how to do a 5-strand braid, and this one you'll be able to do yourself at home.
Start by spraying your hair from roots to ends with a texturizing spray or dry shampoo throughout. This is really important to do, especially if your hair is completely clean, as the hair is here. This will help to give your hair some grip, making it easier to braid. Next, lightly brush your hair through to rid of any tangles. Now bring all of your hair around to one side to start the braid. Split your hair into 5 equal sections. And for the purpose of this demo, I've clipped the sections here so you can see how they look separated. To make this braid even easier to perfect by yourself, I suggest to tie each of the 5 sections with a small elastic towards the ends of the hair as I've done here. This will help keep the sections separated from each other whilst you're braiding. For the benefit of showing you the technique as clearly as possible, I'm going to begin on a mannequin head so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Once the braid is forming, we'll switch to my model to see the finished result. Okay, so let's begin with this exciting, spectacular looking braid. So starting with either the left or right side outer edge section, cross one of these sections over the one next to it. Next, take the first section under the middle one. Now repeat this over under technique on the opposite outer edge section. With every crossover, your new outer edge section will eventually become the middle one. So continue with this and keep repeating. The braiding pattern is basically over and under on one side, then over and under on the other side, and keep repeating. Once you get to the end of braiding all your sections, pull off the little elastics and take one small clear elastic to tie off the whole braid. Should you have any loose flyaways, I would either go with them to make the braid look a little softer or use a little hairspray to tuck them into the braid. And there you have it, an impressive looking braid that's perfect for a festival, party, or even just great as a casual day look. Happy braiding and thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is here. Plus, you can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. If there's any other hair tutorials you'd like me to do, or have any other hair-related questions you'd like me to answer, then please let me know by sending a direct message on any of my social media.